All right, tell me this hasn't happened to you. You're in the middle of an intense fight, aiming right at your opponent, and then suddenly, boom! Teleporting enemies, delayed shots, rubber banding across the map. And of course, I get eliminated. Not once, not twice, but multiple times, all thanks to high ping. It feels like I'm fighting the network more than I'm fighting players. Honestly, it makes the game nearly unplayable. So, I finally said, enough is enough. There has to be a fix. And that's when I came across LagoFast. It's a game booster built specifically to solve this nightmare. High ping, FPS drops, packet loss, you name it. Here's how it works. Open the app, type in your game. So in this case, Delta Force. And LagoFast automatically suggests the best server nodes for the lowest ping. You just pick the recommended one and hit accelerate. That's it. No complicated settings, no tweaking for hours. Within seconds, it starts optimizing your connection and stabilizing your FPS. And trust me, you'll notice the difference immediately. Back in the game, the change is obvious. My ping dropped significantly. Frames are smoother, and for the first time today, I'm winning fights. Look at this. Clean headshots, responsive movements, no sudden freezes. Now check this out. The comparison says it all. On the top half of the screen, you can see gameplay without LagoFast. It's choppy, delayed, and every action feels half a second behind. Shots don't land when they should, and you can literally see the lag ruining the fight. But on the bottom half, with LagoFast running, the difference is night and day. Movements are fluid, reactions are instant. Finding it is simple. Just search LagoFast on Google. Click on the official website and download it. Installation takes less than a minute. Register, and here's something cool. New users get a free trial, so you can test it out before subscribing. With LagoFast running, I'm landing hits cleanly, tracking enemies smoothly, and my reaction time actually matters. The difference is crystal clear. And that's just the start. LagoFast doesn't just reduce ping, it also boosts FPS, fixes packet loss, and gives stable connections by picking the best IP nodes globally. Basically, it ends lag problems for good. Here's the best part. If you want to try it out yourself, LagoFast is giving you guys 30% off with my exclusive code, Ultron. Plus, you can grab a free trial when you sign up through my link in the description. So if you're tired of losing to lag instead of skill, give LagoFast a shot. You'll thank yourself later. All right, I'm off to rack up more wins. Don't forget to check the description for the link and discount code. See you in the next one.